Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you the another method where you can use Claude latest model Fable 5 as well as GPT all models and Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet and all Gemini models in one platform for completely free. And using all those models, you can build a fully functional website and game also. By this end of this video, I'll show you that how you can build a completely functional game using Fable 5. So don't waste your time, let's get started. First of all, open your browser and search for accio.com. As you can see on the top right corner, you can see sign in option. Just click on it and sign in with your Gmail account. After completing your sign up, you are redirected to the home page, and as you can see, you have some credit to use for free. And we click on model, you can see all models are completely free to use. I select Fable 5 and you can do anything using Fable 5. Okay, now let's check its response. Just type any message. Just I am saying that hi, which model are you using. Let's see the response. As you can see, it cannot provide its details, so let's build a game using the powerful model Fable 5. Okay, I am giving a simple prompt on it to build a game for me. Let's see it can do it or not. Okay, now I am just fast forwarding it because it takes few minutes. So jumped into the preview section. Okay, so it gives me a HTML file. Let's download it and open on browser and click on it. Okay, as you can see, we can play ball using our mouse. So let's enjoy the game. As you can see, Claude Fable 5 is working perfectly, and you can test other models also. So if this video is helped you, please like this video and drop down a comment below if you have any question, and please subscribe our channel. Okay, I will see you in the next video.